when you're on your driving lessons and you do your lesson, you're excited and nervous, you're going to make lots of silly mistakes as you're learning, but hopefully you're going to improve from them pretty quickly. And what I found is the people who kind of evaluate, so it's self-evaluation of their own driving, tend to kind of learn quickly, where the ones who don't tend to evaluate don't tend to pick up so quickly what they've got to do. I'll just give way here. While I'm waiting, we can chat about it. So an example here would be when you're doing, say, a manoeuvre, like a guy here doing a parallel park in front of us. When you're doing the manoeuvre and it's gone wrong, I'm sure you're going to speak to your instructor and they're going to give you some feedback. So you're evaluating the manoeuvre between you. So what I mean by self-evaluation is at the end of the lesson, the instructors give you some feedback and it's told you how well you've done and what areas we can improve on. So what you can do is when you get home and you're sat at home and you're having a cup of tea or a coffee or a Coke, whatever you drink, and you're having a sandwich, because usually when you get back from your lesson you're a bit hungry anyway, all the concentration, and you're sat at home, either get your mobile out or notebook and make some notes of your lesson. What was good, what you're happy with, what areas you didn't understand, what areas you'd like to improve on, and then kind of make a 3 or 4 points thing that you want to work on your next lesson before you forget about it. Because if you wait till the following week and have a think about it 5 minutes before your lesson and you've not thought about what happened on the last lesson, you might have forgot half of it. Where if you sit yourself down either straight away or if you're going to work in your lunchtime afterwards and evaluate your lesson, self-evaluation is fantastic. You'll come up with all sorts of questions for yourself of how you have done, and what areas you don't understand and what areas you'd like to work on with your instructor. And then on your next lesson, bring that along and just keep doing it, because your instructor will love the fact that, one, you're trying to improve in between lessons, and the evaluation is a big tool, because by thinking about it, you're already thinking about what's good, what's bad about it, how you can improve on it, and you get into the habit of assessing yourself, which will put you in a fantastic position, because after you pass your driving test, you're going to do that. You're going to assess your own driving, because the instructor's not going to tell you at that point. They're going to be gone. So you'll be assessing your own driving at that point. So evaluate your own driving. Be prepared to turn up at the next lesson with 2, 3, 4, 5 points of what you want to work on your next lesson, rather than turn up and these instructors saying to you, right, can you remember what happened in your last lesson? No. That's what sometimes happens, right? Or they've not thought about it. So remember, evaluate what happened on your last lesson. Think about what you can improve on. Think about what you want to work on, and then when you sit down with your instructor, say it to them. Tell them what you want to work on. You'll probably find that they probably want to agree with you, because if you think it's not right, they probably think it's not right. And if it's so, a common fault in the first few lessons would be pulling off, not being able to control that clutch, not doing the correct observations. So you could be working on that in the first 15-20 minutes. Okay, so I hope this quick video on self-evaluation is a good idea for you, a good little tool. It's free as well, so there's nothing that's going to cost you for. If it's something that you think is going to help you, you start using it, and you'd be surprised how quickly you remember your mistakes, what areas you can work on. Good luck on your driving lessons, and remember, if you do make a mistake, not to worry about it, because everyone makes mistakes, as you just heard then. Okay, take care and safe driving.